Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. With the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. My dear class fellows and respected sir, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will give a presentation on a book Create Your Own Future, which was written by Brian Tracy. In this book, he this group consists of 5 members, including myself, which is Vakas Anwar, Shafiq Ahmed, Sayyid Usama Shah, Hafiz Muhammad Tokir Yunus. This book actually consists of 12 principles which helps ourselves to achieve our goals in our lives. Brian Tracy gave us these principles to help ourselves to groom ourselves in our life to get a good future in 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 our lives. Next slide, please. Introduction. Now we will start our presentation with the famous quote of Thomas and Edison that if we did all the things we are capable of doing, we would literally astonish ourselves. This means that if we live up to our potential, if we live a life to our potential, then we will achieve our anything in our life. Story of Aram and the old man about the bird. This means that the old man was very famous in his amongst anyone. Every businessman, every kind of people came to him to get a solution of their problems. One day, the Aram thought that he will do a better job and proven wrong the old man that the bird is it alive or dead. He took a bird with him and asked the old man, is it alive or dead? The old man knew his feelings and his bad deeds. He answered him in one step ahead that the bird is in your hands. So this means that every man creates his own destiny. The bird is in your hand. This means that you have the authority to tell me that is it alive or dead. This story gives us the lesson that every man can achieve his own goal by every mean. Two types of people, active and passive. Success is the predictable. Learn from the experts. We should always learn from the former experts to live a life on their principles. Become brilliant on the basics. We should learn on basic things in our lives. Next slide, please. Principle one is your potential is unlimited. Thought is creative. Human mind is very creative. We should live to our potential and do our things on extra level as well. Principle two is clarity is critical. Develop an attitude of positive expectancy. We should develop a positive frame of mind in every situation. Principle three is knowledge is power. Knowledge gives us the authority to achieve anything in our life. Now I will ask my member to continue the presentation.
Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Here is Vakas Anwar. Today I want to discuss the Brian Tracy views and ideas on the future creating. So I am discussing his book Create Your Own Future. Some important rules, or you can say that laws. So everyone should follow these magical rules. Create your own future appears to focus on succeeding in your career through the principle like attitude, clarity, and knowledge are very useful in many situations. Let's see how such laws and rules affect and give positive result in our life. The first three step principle my friend Hamil told you, and the fourth one is mastery is the medical. The man who comes up with the means for doing or producing anything better, faster, or more economically and has future and his fortune at his fingerprint. In this principle he said that if you are a teacher, you have to master in every type of in you have a grip in your hand to do something, to teach the students if you are doing a business, you have to master in you have mastered in that business. The contents business success is not accident. You can say that business, if you work hard you will get reward. And if you want to make your business succeed, then you have to work hard. The two metaphors, the mental illness, the practice of service, identity your key cus- customers. In this step you can say that you have to identify you have to identify your customers, that what they want. If they are in problems you can help them, or you can be prepared to the pay the price. The fifth one is attitude is everything. The greatest revolution of my generation is discovery that by changing the inner attitudes of your mind, you can change the outer aspects of your life. Written by William James. William James quote beautifully, that the attitude is everything. You can say that if your attitude is good, you can get success in every step of your life, in every edge of your life. Some aspects that be a team player. If you are doing a team work, you have to your attitude must be good to your fellows. The key to your personality, attitude is the key of your personality. If your attitude is you will also a good man. If your attitude is not good, you will not consider a good man. Replace negative thoughts by with positive. Whatever you see you will be. And you have to write command. If you see, if you are in problems, and you are facing many hardships, you have to take the right decision. And the next one is the relationship are essential. First, the best portion of a good man's life, a little nameless unremembered act of kindness and love. If if you are a person, and you have a friends, you have to must make a relation with your fellows and others, so your business must flourish. Every important change of your life will involve other people. A friend of mine was growing his business. Thank you very much. Now I would like to call my friend Shafiq Ahmed. He will tell you.
The most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Shafiq, I'm a student of MA English second in Minhaj University. I explain my part in book Create Your Own Future. So first of all, now I am telling about the existing pictures. For you to enjoy the full fruit of what people call luck and to create your own future, you must fully attract the positive powers of the law of attraction. The must use it to draw into your life from all directions the people circumstances that can help you to achieve your goals. You must continue affirm, visualize, and act in a manner consistent with what you want and keep your mind off what you don't want. Eh, Send the right commands. Your mental pictures are from visual affirmation. They are accepted by the subconscious mind as command, and your subconscious mind then works to bring them into your reality. But both affirming and natural process, they work either for your original. They help bring about their what you want or what you don't want. Perhaps the most important that you can add to the process of information and of the inconstant of your works and mental pictures, the success formula that thoughts multiplied times emotion is equal to reality. The thoughts or image of the goal your desire multiplied times the emotion of desire and excitement that you associate with the law of contents a power you can use to create your own life. It extends one of the most important lock further to all. What this means is that you can act your way into feeling the way you what to feel. You can program your subconscious mind by living as if you have already qualities and characteristics that you most desire. Your subconscious mind will then generate the emotions and energy consistent with your words and behaviors. And in the last, I explain become your own. You can actually become your by talking to yourself professionally. how many time it does a football in any just last 1 minute I explain. Most people are so persuaded with themselves and the details of their lives that they pay little attention or to others. When you do opposite and empathize with them by trying to understand their concerns, by asking them questions and listening to them when they talk, they will like you and will want to cooperate with you. They will open doors for you and by what you
My name is Sayyid Sama and I am from MA English second semester. Okay, my point is formula for successful networking in business. First, here is the formula for successful networking business. First, before joining an organization, study it carefully. Do your homework, learn why the organization exists and what it does, find out what parts of the organization are the most active and the most important to the success of an organization. Second, study the roster of members and the committee structure. Be sure that you are joining an organization that has people in it who are ahead of you in your career and in your business. They must be people that you can learn from and gain from. They must be people who have the capacity to pull you up to higher levels than you have so far attained on your own. Third, once you are a member, find out which committee are the most important to the functioning of the organization. Ask questions and listen carefully. When you have identified a key committee where you feel you could make a valuable contribution, volunteer for that committee since everything that is done in business and social organization is largely to fill those slots. Okay, next. Next, please. To impress someone. This is a most important key factor in the business to impress others. To impress a person who is valuable for you, use the law of indirect effort. When you meet a new person, you feel it would be valuable for you to remember the old saying that the person who asks questions has control. Use the law of indirect effort. Instead of trying to impress the other person, ask him or her questions and then be impressed by what he or she says to you. This is a key factor to impress someone. Look for opportunity to help to put in rather than to take out. Remember that the law of sowing and shaping and reaping a universal principle. It works everywhere and under virtually all conditions. If you put in along enough and had enough, you will eventually get all of you could possibly want. One of the most successful principle is containing in the principle of liking. This is the most successful principle in liking. Like others things, like what they do, you should like them. Remember, one of the most successful principles is contain the principle of liking, which says the more a person like you, the easier it is for you to influence him or her in some way. The rule is emotion distorts evaluation. If a person really likes you, he or she will be less concerned about the weakness in yourself or your product. Next, please. The law of reciprocity, the most powerful human motivator. The law of reciprocity is one of the most powerful and important of the human motivator. Your regular application, if it will bring you opportunities that you cannot now imagine. This principle says if you do something for another person, that other person will want to do something for you. He will want to reciprocate in some way so that he does not feel a sense of obligation. Most human beings are fair in their dealings with others. When they get something from someone, they will give something to them. Relationship open every door. This is also a very important key factor. Make relations with other peoples. The key to success lies for you to build more and better relationships and for you to become more known and respected by a greater number of people. You must do this deliberately, carefully.
what you're selling.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Hafiz Muhammad Fakir and I am the member of Shaheen Group. Now I am talking about seven secrets of wealth creation given by Brian Tracy. The first secret of wealth creation is that increase your value is to do things faster. The speed at which you deliver the specific result that other people want. And the second way that you can add value and create wealth is by offering better quality than your competitors at the same price. To improve quality, you must first find out how your customer defines it. And the third secret is key to becoming wealthy is by looking for ways to add value to everything you do. If you want to do stand out as a person or as a company, you have to plus whatever you are doing so that your customer perceives you and your offering as being surprised. And the fourth key of secret to adding value is to increase the conversion of the purchasing and using your product or service. Fast food store by the thousand illustrate how much more people are willing to pay for. The fifth key to creating value and increasing wealth is by improving customer service and by treating customer better. People are predominantly emotional. They are greatly influenced by the warmth and friendliness of the people they deal with. The sixth way to add value and create wealth is to recognize and cater to changing lifestyle. Look for ways that customer groups, young and old, uh, and changing their desires, taste, and preference. So these are the tasks. Thank you very much.
Okay, now class, at the end, I will tell you about the main purpose of this book that I could understand. I want to share with you that create your own future will show you how to set goals, unlock your inborn creativity, and overcome any obstacle in your path. You will learn how to identify the key skills you need to master your find and how to get the support of most important people in your work and personal lives. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you will enjoy our video. Thank you very much.